Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up a trailing stop loss in the Webull mobile app. Today's video is brought to you by the Coldest Water. They sent me this bottle and I have absolutely fell in love with it. Has my name laser etched into it. Don't know if you can see that very well, but their bottles are amazing. I personally love the fact that if you drop these bottles in water, that would, like if you're on any adventures or anything, these bottles float in water. And as you know, me living out here in Colorado, I go on a lot of adventures now. So this is definitely something I always gotta take with me. They come in a variety of colors and sizes. I wish I got a bigger one, but this is what they sent me. Probably end up getting a bigger one in the future, but as of right now, gotta make do with what we have. Yeah, if you're interested in checking out the Coldest Water and supporting the channel, referral link down below in the description. Hey, be sure to check them out. Also, if for some reason you are new here and haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. And if you're interested in getting 2 free stocks and you haven't already, be sure to check out the Webull referral link down below in the description. By signing up for Webull using the referral link down below in the description and making a minimum deposit of $100, you will get 2 free stocks valued anywhere from $8 all the way up to $1,850. So yeah, be sure to check that out if you haven't already. And before we fully get into this tutorial, I have one simple request in return for me making this video. Hey, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to support the channel. And without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, and we are back. Nothing really but a small chair turn, but hey, we're in the next scene. All right, I have what I consider the perfect opportunity to show y'all how to set up a trailing stop loss. I've received several requests for this, so I figured, hey, why not take this opportunity and make a quick video for y'all. So yeah, we're gonna hop in the good old Webull and I'm gonna show y'all how to set up a trailing stop loss and how I would do it. All right, so here we are in the good old Webull and I have 2 positions I'm in, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of them and I'm going to show you how I would personally set up a trailing stop loss. So which one we're gonna be looking at is right here, is ticker symbol HOFB. I'm gonna click on that. I'm going to hit sell, and right here on the screen, as you can see, towards the middle it says limit, market, stop, and OTO. So what you are going to do a trailing stop loss is hit stop. But here's the kicker. Here's what I didn't know. In a previous video I said you could not do a trailing stop loss on the mobile platform, and then one of you reached out to me and informed me I was wrong. So yeah, just want y'all to know I was wrong. You can do it. That's the purpose of me making this video. All right, so I'm gonna hold stop right here. Actually, I didn't hold it, I actually double clicked it, and right here you see it says stop, stop limit, and trailing stop. I'm gonna hit trailing stop, and now you see that trailing amount. You can do dollars, you can do percentage, and that's personally how I like to work. So I'm going to change from dollars to percentage over here on the far right, and now we're on percentage. I'm going to do a 10% trailing stop loss. We're up 40%, so no matter where we are, we're still in the green on that. So, and I'll actually do it on all my shares because I've actually taken a good amount of profits on this already today, and this isn't anything that I have too much conviction on. Just somebody in the Discord actually called out this morning. So yeah, if you are interested in hopping in my Discord, I believe there should be a link down below in the description. It's absolutely free, and we absolutely love having more people to contribute. All right, so yeah, got that set up for 10%. I'm going to hit sell, confirm, and then just like that we have a trailing stop loss set up. All right, so I'm going to stop right there, and as it goes up we'll continue to have more profits. Right now we're actually 42% up, so that means the least profit I will make on this position is 32%. So you just learned how to set up a trailing stop loss on the Webull mobile platform. If you learned anything or enjoyed the video, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to support the channel and I really appreciate it as well. If you have any friends that you think can benefit from this, be sure to share this video with them as well. And if for some reason you made it this far in the video and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. And don't be shy. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below in the comments. I'll get back to them as I can. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching and peace.